Instagram ads showing not delivering is one of the most frustrating and costly problems any business owner or marketer can face, and fixing it requires understanding exactly which of several possible causes is affecting your specific campaign. The not delivering status on Instagram and Facebook ads can be triggered by payment issues, policy violations, audience problems, budget limitations, scheduling errors, or account-level restrictions, each requiring a different fix. Working through each potential cause systematically is the most efficient approach. Start with the simplest fixes and work toward the more complex solutions. The first and most commonly overlooked cause of ad delivery failure is a payment issue on your Meta advertising account. Navigate to the Billing and Payments section of Meta Ads Manager and check whether your payment method is current, valid, and has no outstanding failed charges. An expired credit card, a declined payment, or an account spending limit that has been reached will immediately pause all active ad delivery. Update your payment method immediately if needed and clear any outstanding balance. Ad delivery typically resumes within hours of a successful payment update. The second most common cause is an ad policy violation. Meta has strict advertising policies, and any ad that violates them will be rejected or paused without delivering impressions. Review your rejected ad carefully and read the specific policy violation reason provided. Meta usually indicates which policy rule the ad conflicts with. Common policy violations include prohibited content categories, misleading claims, before and after imagery, excessive text on images, and targeting restrictions for certain product categories. Edit your ad creative, copy, or targeting to comply with the specific policy rule that was flagged and resubmit the ad for Meta's review process. Policy review typically takes between 24 and 48 hours. More complex reviews can occasionally take longer depending on the content category. Audience size is another critical factor. An overly narrow target audience can prevent Meta from finding enough people to deliver your ads to efficiently. Open your ad set audience settings and check the audience size meter. If it shows in the red 2 specific zone, you need to broaden your targeting immediately. Remove overly restrictive demographic filters. Expand your geographic targeting radius or add additional interest categories to grow your audience into the recommended green zone. A daily budget that is too low prevents Meta's algorithm from competing effectively in the ad auction, resulting in little or no delivery. Meta recommends a daily budget of at least 5 times your target cost per result. Increase your budget if it is significantly below this threshold. Also review your bid strategy. Switching to the lowest cost automatic bidding strategy gives Meta the most flexibility to win auctions and deliver your ads. Check your campaign schedule carefully. An expired end date or an incorrectly configured start date will prevent any delivery from occurring. Update your campaign dates to ensure they reflect your intended active delivery period and confirm the campaign is not set to a past end date. Image-heavy text is a persistent cause of reduced or zero delivery. Meta significantly limits the reach of ads where text covers more than 20% of the image. Redesign your ad creative with text placed outside the image whenever possible. A clean image with text in the caption or headline performs dramatically better. Verify that your Facebook business page is in good standing. Page-level restrictions and quality strikes cascade down and prevent ad delivery at the campaign level. Navigate to your page quality section in Meta Business Suite and review any active restrictions, policy strikes, or limitation notices affecting your page. Check that your Instagram account is properly connected to your Meta Business Suite. A disconnected or improperly linked Instagram account prevents Instagram placement delivery entirely. Reconnect your Instagram account through Meta Business Suite settings if the connection shows any warning status. This often resolves Instagram-specific delivery failures. New ad sets enter a learning phase where Meta's algorithm is still gathering data. During this phase, delivery can be inconsistent until approximately 50 optimization events are recorded. Avoid making frequent edits to campaigns in the learning phase. Each significant change resets the learning phase and delays stable delivery further. If your entire ad account shows restrictions, navigate to the Account Quality section in Meta Business Suite and submit a detailed appeal explaining your business and advertising purpose. Applying every fix in this guide systematically from payment verification and policy compliance through audience expansion, budget adjustment, and account health management. Resolves the vast majority of Instagram ad delivery problems completely and gets your campaigns back to full active delivery.